Hello dear students, today we are going to study properties of water. Water occurs in liquid state under ordinary condition. It is fluid substance. It does not have its own shape but has volume. It can pass through small holes or seeps through very small gaps or cracks. This is sponge in my hand and I have dipped in water. If I press it, you will find that the water comes out, or water seeps from small hole, or water takes the place or the space which is present in the sponge. So we have learned first property that water does not have its own shape but it takes the shape of container. Another property of water is always in a liquid state. This experiment will show you that water seeps through small hole. This experiment also explains that water falls from great height, or where there is high pressure, water flows downward direction. Just observe, the water level is at higher level and it flows in lower level. We are going to see one more experiment related to this. To study that water flows from higher level to lower level, we are going to perform one experiment. For that experiment, we need empty bottle, and this bottle is filled with water and it is at a height, and we need a tube. These are two ends of tube. These two ends I am going to fill water from both the ends so that the pipe gets completely filled with water.
Look, I fill this tube with water. This bottle is filled with water and this bottle is empty. This water will come to this bottle. Just see now. Oops. Guy. This is coming. Science. सगळं फेल. फाउंटन सारखा फेल होतोय.
See, I have filled both the glass with water. In one glass I will put ice and in other glass I'll put a coin. What have you observed, Arya? What have you observed? The ice has floated on the water and coin has sinked into the water. This explains about the density of water. If a substance has higher density than water, then it sinks down. If a substance has low density than that of water, it floats. We'll see one more experiment. I have taken a beaker with water and I'll add potato in this. You'll observe that the potato has gone down. Now I will add lot of salt into the water. So because of adding salt in the water, the density of water will change. As you all know, the sea water has lot of salt present in it. So seawater is having density different than that of normal water. Salty water has higher density. Let us discuss one example. Do you know about Dead Sea? Why it is called Dead Sea? Because there is no living organisms growing in it. The salt present in the water is in high amount. So the density is very high. If you go and start swimming in such water, you will start floating. Why? Because your density is less than that of salty water. So let us now see what happens to the potato, whether it sinks or it floats. So you will observe that it has started floating in water. Why? Because now the density of water has changed. Okay, the density of water is very high and the potato has low density. So from this experiment it is confirmed that salty water has high density. Thank you. That's all.